Hey there YouTube, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you all the tips and tricks of the automotive world. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of engines and tell you about the top 10 most reliable Japan car engines of all time. We'll explore the features and performance characteristics of these engines. So let's get started. 1. Toyota 22RE. The Toyota 22RE engine is celebrated for its reliability and ease of maintenance. Its design allows for straightforward repairs, making it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Known for its longevity, many 22RE engines have surpassed 300,000 miles with proper care. This engine is used in Toyota pickups, 4Runners, and other models in the early 80s to 90s. Features: configuration, inline 4-cylinder. Displacement, 2.4 liters. Fuel system, EFI or electronic fuel injection. Design, single overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 116 horsepower. Torque, around 140 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 20 to 25 miles per gallon combined. 2. Honda K-Series. The K-Series engines are known for their high-revving nature and excellent fuel efficiency. Their robust construction supports various performance modifications, making them a favorite in the tuning community. With a balance of performance and economy, the K-Series remains a benchmark in the compact car segment. It is used in the Honda Civic, Accord, CR-V, and more. Features: configuration, inline 4-cylinder. Displacement, ranges from 1.5 to 2.4 liters. Fuel system, programmed fuel injection. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, ranges from 140 to 200 horsepower depending on the variant. Torque, approximately 130 to 170 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 25 to 30 miles per gallon, combined. Nissan SR20D. The SR20D is revered for its tuning potential, making it a staple in the drift and motorsport scenes. Its turbocharged configuration provides strong mid-range power, while the engine's durability allows for significant performance upgrades. Many enthusiasts have successfully pushed this engine beyond 300 horsepower with the right modifications. Its applications include Nissan Silvia, 240SX, and others. Features: configuration, inline 4 cylinders. Displacement, 2.0 liters. Fuel system, turbocharged with fuel injection. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 200 horsepower which varies with tuning. Torque, around 200 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 22 to 28 miles per gallon, combined. 4. Subaru EJ Series. The unique flat 4 configuration of the EJ engine lowers the center of gravity, enhancing vehicle stability and handling. Its reliability and performance have made it a favorite in rallying and off-road scenarios. The engine's turbocharged variants provide thrilling power, especially in the WRX models. Its applications include Subaru Impreza, Legacy, Outback, and more. Features: configuration, flat 4, boxer type. Displacement, ranges from 2.0 to 2.5 liters. Fuel system, multi-point fuel injection. Design, single overhead cam or dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 130 to 300 horsepower, depending on the variant. Torque, ranges from 130 to 300 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 20 to 27 miles per gallon, combined. 5. Toyota 1JZ GTE. The 1JZ GTE is known for its robust construction and impressive tuning potential. With twin turbochargers, it delivers a strong power curve, making it ideal for both street and track applications. Many enthusiasts regard it as one of the best turbo engines ever produced, with the capability to handle well over 500 horsepower with proper upgrades. Its applications include Toyota Supra, Chaser, and others. Features: configuration, inline 6-cylinder. Displacement, 2.5 liters. Fuel system, twin turbocharged. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 280 horsepower, factory rating. Torque, around 268 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 20 to 25 miles per gallon combined. 6. Mazda Wankel rotary engine. While unconventional, the Wankel engine is known for its smooth operation and high power-to-weight ratio. The compact design allows for a lightweight vehicle frame, enhancing performance. However, it requires diligent maintenance to ensure longevity, as its unique design can lead to apex seal wear. Its applications include the Mazda RX-7 and RX-8. Features: configuration, rotary Wankel, displacement typically 1.3 liters, fuel system, multi-point fuel injection. Design, unique rotary design. Performance parameters, power output, approximately 130 to 280 horsepower depending on the model. Torque, ranges from 135 to 220 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 18 to 25 miles per gallon combined. 7. Honda D-Series. The D-Series engines are known for their reliability and fuel efficiency, making them popular in economy cars. They are relatively easy to work on and have a strong aftermarket support, allowing for performance upgrades. While not as powerful as some of Honda's other engines, they provide a strong balance of practicality and reliability. Its applications include the Honda Civic, CRX, and more. Features: configuration, inline 4 cylinders. Displacement ranges from 1.5 to 1.6 liters. Fuel system, multi-point fuel injection. Design, single overhead cam or dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 92 to 125 horsepower. Torque, around 100 to 110 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 25 miles per gallon, combined. 8. Nissan KA24DE. The KA24DE is recognized for its durability and solid performance in a variety of Nissan vehicles. Its strong low-end torque makes it suitable for both street and off-road applications. With a robust aftermarket, many enthusiasts modify this engine for increased power, making it a versatile choice. Its applications include the Nissan 240SX, Pathfinder, and others. Features: configuration, inline 4-cylinder, displacement 2.4 liters, fuel system, multi-point fuel injection. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 155 horsepower, torque, around 160 pound-foot, fuel economy, 20 to 28 miles per gallon combined. 9. Toyota 3S GTE. The 3S GTE is renowned for its performance in motorsport, particularly in rally racing. Its turbocharged design provides excellent power and responsiveness, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts. The engine's strong aftermarket support allows for extensive modifications, pushing power levels significantly higher. Its applications include the Toyota Celica GT4, MR2 Turbo. Features: configuration, inline 4-cylinder, displacement 2.0 liters, fuel system turbocharged with electronic fuel injection. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 240 horsepower, varies by model. Torque, around 220 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 20 to 25 miles per gallon, combined. 10. Mitsubishi 4G63. The 4G63 engine has a strong motorsport pedigree, particularly in the A to B Lancer Evolution models. Its turbocharged variants are known for their impressive power and tuning potential, making them popular among performance enthusiasts. The engine's reliability, combined with its performance capabilities, has solidified its status in the automotive community. Its applications include the Mitsubishi Eclipse, Lancer Evolution, Galant VR4. Features: configuration, inline 4-cylinder, displacement 2.0 liters, fuel system turbocharged in some variants. Design, dual overhead cam. Performance parameters: power output, approximately 135 to 300 horsepower, depending on the configuration. Torque, ranges from 130 to 250 pound-foot. Fuel economy, 20 to 28 miles per gallon combined. The engines listed above exemplify the engineering excellence and reliability that Japanese manufacturers are known for. Each engine has its unique characteristics, performance parameters, and applications, making them favorites among enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Whether for daily commuting or high-performance motorsport, these engines have stood the test of time, proving their worth in various automotive segments. And there you have it, folks. We've covered the top 10 most reliable Japan car engines of all time. We hope you have enjoyed our content. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. As always, drive safe and stay tuned for our next video. Until next time, take care and happy driving.